In the fast paced and demanding world of modern society, it has become all too common for individuals to find themselves trapped in a cycle of busyness, unhealthy eating habits, and overwhelming stress. As the relentless progress continues, we seem to have lost touch with the fundamental essence of living harmoniously with nature. Fortunately, there is still a place where a passionate group of people who are still rooted in nature. Talula Hill Farm Resort in Kluang, Malaysia offers a peaceful and scenic escape from city life. It educates visitors about farming and encourages a more fulfilling life by reconnecting with nature's essence. It emphasized the importance of returning to nature in our fast-paced world. Meet Eunice, the manager of Talula Hill Farm Resort. With a love of nature and sustainable living, Eunice's dedication to farming and educating guests on returning to nature is inspiring to all who visit the resort. Talula Hill Farm Resort has the mission and vision to help people escape from stress, returning back to nature in order to experience a simple, holistic lifestyle.
Talula is actually a Native American word names, and also it means leaping water. So while during the construction time, we actually found a water resource actually flowing non-stop for the water source, and then we feel that Talula actually choose its own names. Talula to be here because of the iconic forest scenery. So you can see we are actually located next to the forest, and then it's very peaceful environment. And also most important, we like the culture in Kuang, also the people around as well.
However, during the path of achieving their goal, one of the issues they face is the misconception of young generations towards nature and farming.
That when you say about farming, people will think that their hands will be dirty, and then they have to touch the soil, they have to touch with the bugs and all that. I think that is the misconception that actually the younger generation have. When you involve in it, you will find the happiness and the satisfaction after you do the farming. Because next generation is our hope for future, and they are the one will be applying in the futures. So it's crucial that to let them learn and interested since young.
Rising of cost is also one of the challenges that Talula has been facing. They are still learning on how to balance between the resort, cafe, as well as the farm. Mark is a foreigner farmer who lives and works delicately on the farm. Her passion for farming and close connection with nature brings a unique perspective to the rural life.
Saya kalau pagi-pagi tengok semua sayur dulu, lepas itu cabut rumput. Kalau ini kan sudah semua pada tanam, tinggal cabut rumput saja. Nanti kalau sudah ada masa, siram semua. Kalau ada hujan tak payah siram. Petik langsung makan, boleh. Saya punya sayur. Kalau pasar itu tak boleh, itu banyak racun. Cantik banyak racun. Sini tak cantik sayur tapi okey. Macam kafe semua guna dari sini. Kalau saya lihat itu buat koslo-koslo, semua sini guna. Terkue dari jagung, asparagus tuh, orang petik langsung makan. Salad itu 2 bulan boleh makan. Kalau timun 50 hari boleh ada buah. Kacang panjang 2 bulan baru boleh petik. Macam sawi Jepun 1 bulan boleh makan.
Talula Hill Farm Resort is struggling with a shortage of manpower as finding candidates committed to their mission has been a challenge. However, amidst this struggle, they have managed to build a trainable and dedicated team that is growing with the company. One shining example is Saiful, a chef who has previously worked in high-stress environments like hospitals and with races. Seeking a less stressful job, he found his place at Talula, where he shares the company's mission and vision.
For chef, I control F&B and kitchen. I nak masak bagi customer makan yang healthy. I nak come out the recipe, the menu is a healthy food. So no MAG, no chemical. So we suit menu based on the garden. So vegetable, fresh, everything we take from the garden lah. So fresh cook, actually with pumpkin, fresh tomato. We got the fresh herb. So we born in the garden lah. Direct to the farm. So we take and then we cook. That's why sometimes we write fresh from the garden. This is special dish from Talula lah.
In addition to the three challenges concerning Talula Hill Farm's vision and mission, another issue arises from wildlife interference on the farm. According to Farmer Mark and Chef Saiful, monkeys from the nearby forest pose a problem as they are attracted to nearby forests and to disrupt the plantations by consuming or damaging the plants. Fortunately, the team found a solution to deter the monkeys by placing a tiger figure doll around the farm, surprisingly keeping the wild monkeys at bay and safeguarding the plants effectively. Furthermore, pest control is essential for any plantation farm, and Talula stands out from the other by adopting an innovative yet natural approach. Instead of resorting to pesticides, they employ the JADM method, which involves producing their own poisons for pests and fertilizers for the plant. This environmental-friendly method sets Talula apart, showcasing their commitment to sustainable farming practices.
For now, we are practicing JEDM. It requires a lot of courses in high because of the use is actually lesser compared to the normal chemical products.
That's why now we change the bio baja. So I think bio baja is quite good. Because not even 1 month dah ada hasil, and then fly also kurang, and then healthy lah.
Talula Hill Farm Resort remains steadfast in fulfilling their mission and vision, and also to overcome challenges with resilience. Their dedication to reconnect people with nature is evident and inspiring.
We always believe that simple, holistic life, that people will have a happier life also. Because the simpler as it, the happier people will be. We will actually hope that people stay here and, of course, release from the stress and go back with everyone with a smile on their face. That's our mission now.
Sini meskipun hutan tapi udara segar, macam meskipun nampak-nampak semua hutan tapi happy.
Nak customer datang sini, so dia boleh makan yang food yang betul-betul fresh. Please take healthy food. That's all. So you know lah, healthy food is vegetarian, fresh from the garden.
Let's come to Talula and have the fun.
Juga kalau kacang panjang 2 bulan.
So kalau anak-anak pun kanak.
No, is the